Back as a man. Latches onto one. McCullum wants a second. He's going back for two. And I think he might be short there. Karachi is celebrating.
That pull shot, so they didn't get that quickness straight away. That looks like
shot.
A wicket. Not the start Lahore Qalandars were after.
Unlucky fucker there. It was a great dive. Missed out by 5 centimetres.
He certainly did. And let's super over. Let's just reiterate that Lahore Qalandars, if they lose another wicket, if you lose 2 wickets, then the overs are finished. The over is finished. You can lose 2, but that's it.
Yeah, that's why it was such a risky second run. Fakar hadn't even started. He was playing the pull shot. He was on the back foot. It was very difficult for him to get back for the second. Baz McCullum had a head start.
But the emotion has been awesome, hasn't it, Wilco?
Oh, mad. And
they're still arguing now.
it's gone leg side. It's a wide. Umpire says Alim Dar, that's a wide.
Devcich is a very, very dangerous batsman too.
But he could just get a wicket here and finish the over.
Oh, he's gone leg side again. He's spearing the ball into the pads of Devcich. It's well bowled. It's only a leg
isn't
by.
he? He's cramping him 137 kilometres an hour. Last over specialist. Tell you what, square legs coming in, that is, I know he got caught there in the real game, but if he can get some elevation, could be the area he's targeting. Big area between mid-wicket and...
3 for 1, Lahore. Amir. Oh, he went for the ramp. And Mohammad Amir second-guessed him, didn't he? Oh, it's a wide. He's called wide.
Oh, everything's happening. Got leg byes, he's got wides. Amir went for the little cutter, but just...
It's a good ball, but it's a good shot as well. It's only 1. It's 5 for 1. 3 balls to go.
Still not conceded a boundary.
I think Afridi feels they've done pretty well now. 5 for 1, just 3 balls to go. Devcich.
Now he's looking to that leg side because he's expecting Amir to just dart in that leg stump. Big gap between mid-wicket and fine leg.
He's caught hold of it. 2 men back. They can't go for a second. That would be suicide. Can't do that.
That would be game over.
Yeah, you can lose 1 wicket. You lose the second, the over's finished. The second over this is, of course, in PSL history. The first one we had in Sharjah but a week ago, 9 days ago, and Lahore involved in both.
Andre Russell, 6 off the last ball.
Finished it for Islamabad. He's gone big. McCullum. He's got 1 bounce 4. He's got the boundary.
That's such an important boundary, isn't it? That ability to just open up the face and still get enough power to muscle it over mid-off's head.
And that's a fabulous shot. It's a low full toss at best as he reaches to it and just keeps his position of just opening himself up and hitting it over mid-off. That was the only go-to shot and he nailed it perfectly.
Really good shot.
What an important boundary. So it's 10 now. Last ball of the super over. Wouldn't really love 16.
Right, so now he wants square leg out, so threatening that he might bowl a short ball. Third man comes up. Is it a bouncer? What's Brendan McCullum thinking? Is he thinking ramp?
There's guessing.
So what happens if it's a bouncer?
Here we go, last ball.
It is.
He's caught it. He's caught hold of it, but not well enough. They're going to go back for the second. He's got to struggle here. McCullum is run out, but they get the 1, and Lahore Qalandars finish their super over 11 for 2, and Karachi will need 12 from 6 balls to win this super over and this game.
Oh, no run! A dot ball.
Dot ball. Got 3 men inside the circle on the offside. He's got a deep extra, and that's exactly why.
I'd go that again. I'd go the
knuckleball.
the knuckleball that goes away from the right-hander. Oh, it's a full toss.
Full
he hasn't
toss,
put it away.
straight to Fakhar Zaman, and they're not going to go back for a second. Zaman's quick, and he's got a good arm. So 2 balls gone and just 1 run.
They need 10.
Narine will give him that full length. It'll be that short of a length.
Well, if he goes back, he could punch it. They've got 2 cover fieldsmen in the circle, but the gap between long off and deep point is a big area.
It's gone straight up in the air. He hasn't got enough on this. 2 men underneath it. Oh, what a brilliant catch. Mitch McClenaghan takes the most magnificent catch.
What a catch that is. It hung in the air for so long. McClenaghan settled underneath it, and with a full stretch dive, he clings on to it.
We just had a bit of Kiwi riding there too. That's all fine. Well bowled from Narine. He's such an experienced bowler. It's the off spinner, turns a little bit. Ingram trying to get over mid-wicket. He pulls it to square leg, and that is a spectacular catch. And the fans appreciate the efforts.
Absolute stunner. Super over. Narine gets Ingram
3 to go.
out without scoring.
I have never seen Narine show emotion before. Boom.
And what's his record against Lahore? 6 out, 6 out.
It's gone leg side. There's no run here.
That's well bowled. That was quicker. That's 116 kilometres an hour from Narine. Was that the balls he was practicing in the warm-up?
Yes.
I think it was.
Well, this is the end of Ingram. What a fabulous catch by Mitch McClenaghan. Right,
Well, they need a 6.
2 balls to go. 2 balls to go.
2 fours won't get them there.
Simmons
Good
straight
thinking.
to McCullum, and they have won it. The Kalunders, unless Narine bowls a no ball.
A magnificent super over from Narine. Just 2 runs off. So cool, so calm under pressure.
We're going to see an attempt at the biggest 6 ever hit in cricket history here from Boom Boom.
He's gone big.
Oh, he's had a good crack at it at 6. It will not be enough. So remarkably enough, Lahore have won this game. They've won the super over. Amazing scenes. The boys are going well. They've won 2 in a row now.